friends! We're at the amazing Amore Pacific Store in Seoul. This lovely store offers us the do-your-own makeup zone for absolutely free. These are all the lovely products that Irene has chosen for Suhina's Korean-style party makeover. So let's get started! To prep up the face for makeup, after cleansing the face, we apply toner and then moisturizer evenly on the face. The first step is foundation. Irene has chosen a cushion-based foundation for Suhina as it is more hydrating than a regular one. This makes the skin appear softer, and in Korea, it's much more popular to have glossy makeup over matte makeup. The second step is contouring. We have picked Rare Kind's contour palette. Mix the dark and medium shade to apply it on the chin and blend it well. Put it on cheekbones and hairline to make the face appear sharper and thinner. Use a small brush for nose contouring to make its shape enhanced. Now let's move to the third step. Usually, people use concealer before they apply foundation, but here we are using it after because we have chosen a brighter shade of concealer as compared to the foundation. Doing so, the concealer does the work of a highlighter and makes the makeup look more natural. Make sure to blend it well with a sponge. We applied the concealer at the T-zone, under eyes, middle of chin and upper lip line. Let's do the exciting brow makeup now. We have picked the pencil type of eyebrow liner first to give eyebrows shape. Irene is giving Suhina a straight eyebrow shape as it's much more popular in Korea. Now, using the eyebrow kit, fill the brow's empty spaces for a fuller brow. Use the darker shade for the end of the brows and lighter shade for the middle section. Let's move to the eye makeup now. We are using the Espoir Cotton Eye Shadow on the whole eye as a base. Make sure you blend it well. Use the same shade on the under eyes and blend. Next, we use the Laneige palette and apply it on the eyelid with fingertips to blend it nicely. This eyeshadow contains a little glitter, making the eyes look brighter. Once you're happy with the eye, apply the same shade on the under eyes as well. Using the waterproof gel black eyeliner, we create a natural look by filling in the lash line. Apply the Rare Kind's Glitter Eyeshadow. This orange shade looks lovely on Suhina's skin tone. Now, we're applying water-based glitter eyeliner to amp up the party look. First, apply it on under eyes and then on the middle section of the eyelid. Using the pen type eyeliner, Irene draws the perfect long eyeline for Suhina. We have picked brown color and not gone for the cat's eye to keep the look classic. Use a thin brush to blend the liner well and to make it look more subtle. Lastly, apply long lash mascara using the zigzag motion to make the lashes look bigger and fuller. All the makeup used was waterproof so that it lasts longer for the party. We are using the Marmon blusher for Suhina. Apply the blush only on the center of the cheek and blend it well. This color looks absolutely stunning on her. Let us paint the lips now. We have picked this pink matte lipstick for the lips. Now the final touch-ups. Irene is giving a final touch-up to Suhina with glitter highlighter for the perfect Korean style makeup. And voila, it's all done.
Amore was amazing. It's such an exclusive store. It was an amazing experience. We've never experienced, me or Partvi, something like this before. We tried on so many skincare products, such premium brands, such amazing makeup, and I got ready for my night also, so I saved on my makeup.
After finishing all the missions, everyone gets a chance to pick 3 freebies from such a vast collection of samples. Amore is an amazing experience and you all must definitely try visiting it. Bye guys, see you soon.